Hello everyone, welcome back to Shruti Opines. So guys, today I'm gonna share with you all 10 crazy and advanced words, and these advanced words are gonna describe our modern age, that how our age has evolved, how we have evolved as a person, how our lifestyle has evolved, how our surroundings have evolved, and these words are gonna express those emotions, those situations and those activities, and I'm pretty much sure that you're gonna enjoy these words. So if you want to learn these words, then stay tuned. So your first advanced and crazy word is texpectation. Texpectation. I think you like this word. So if we split this word into two parts, we'll get text plus expectation. So what kind of meaning would you get from this split? When we have certain expectation from someone's reply, that when he or she is going to reply me, so you have that particular feeling of anxiety, the feeling of impatience. So now that feeling has a word for you, and that word is texpectation. For example, this texpectation always kills. So the next word is related to text only, and the word is textrovert. Textrovert. So again, if we split this word into two parts, we'll get text plus introvert. Text plus introvert. So what does it mean? It means a person who prefers talking to people only over the text rather than face-to-face communication or conversation. We have certain people around us, right, who prefers talking to people only over the text. They do not feel in the comfort zone when they talk to people on their face, right? For example, I don't know why day by day Rohit is becoming textrovert. Your next word is again related to the communication or conversation, and that word is nonversation. Nonversation. Isn't amazing? Like, these words are super crazy, right? So nonversation, again, if we split this word into two parts, we'll get non plus conversation. Non plus conversation. So it means a worthless communication, a meaningless communication or conversation. For that emotion or thought, we can use this word nonversation. For example, he never participates in nonversation. So the next word is endorsement. Endorsement, again, if we split this word into two parts, we'll get indoor plus men. So it means a person who spends his or her considerable time in indoor activities, or a person who loves to stay at home only. You can say it is an opposite of an outgoing person. So are you an indoors man? So your next word is universe. Universe. Amazing word, right? So again, if we split this word into two parts, we'll get you plus universe. You plus universe. So what kind of meaning again would you get from this split? Means a person who has created his own universe or his or her own world around, right? That person is mostly self-centered. That person is mostly deal with his or her own activities. That person is not worried about like what is happening around him or her. So that person is universe. You can call that person universe. So for example, his universe could create obstacles in the near future. So your next crazy word is nextday. Nextday. Amazing word, right? So it means day after tomorrow. Simple. So you can use this word instead of saying day after tomorrow. You can say that, are you free next day? So the next word is single tasker. Single tasker. Simply, it is an opposite of multitasker. Means a person who prefers doing one activity or task at a time only. For example, he's a single tasker that makes him more organized. So do you know any single tasker? And if yes, then do mention in the comment section below that who is that person. So the next crazy word is internest. Internest. So again, if we split this word into two parts, we'll get internet plus nest. So everyone knows the meaning of internet, right? Nest, again, everyone knows the meaning of the nest. Nest is a home of the birds, right? So how you will create your own nest when you are going to spend hours and hours on internet. You will sit in the bed, cover yourself with a blanket, take all type of food and beverages around you, and then you will spend long hours on internet, right? We do that, okay? So that for that emotion or for that activity, we have this word internest. For example, have you seen John? I don't know, he must be in his internest. So your next word is solivigant. Solivigant. Solivigant means a person who loves traveling alone only, or a person who travels the world all alone, or you can also call this person a solitary adventure. So now again we have a word for such people is solivigant. For example, nowadays we can see an increase in the number of solivigants. So your last and crazy word is flawsome. Flawsome. So again, if we split this word into two parts, we'll get flaw plus awesome. And I think you get the meaning. Yes, guys, it means a person who embraces his or her flaws and still think that they are awesome. They are doing awesome in their life. And I think everyone has some flaws in their personality. So it's pretty much fine to be a flawsome, right? So guys, do mention in the comment section below that which word have you liked the most, and if it is possible for you, then please frame sentences of your choice so that it will help you to remember the words effectively. And till the next class, see ya.